everyone, we are here to show you the UC4 Housekeeping NC3.
First thing is the housekeeping attendant will get the laundry item in the guest room. Don't forget to knock 3 times and inform housekeeping department and greet the guest. And always check or count the guest clothes before leaving and repeat. Then, deliver it to the laundry area. Before doing the laundry, you will going to check the washing machine before using it if it has damage to avoid accident of the staff. Secure the safety always. Then check the laundry supplies if it has stocks. If the bottles are empty, refill it. Always check the equipment and supplies before and after the laundry. After checking it, proceed doing the laundry. Separate the colors of the clothes and if it is machine wash or hand wash to prevent the damage of the clothes. Then, proceed washing it. Monitor the quality of the laundry items to ensure if it has damage or stain, and check the quality of the laundry items so that there will no conflict. Then, deliver it to the guest room, neat and presentable. In conclusion, UC4 Supervise Laundry Linen, Uniform, and Guest Clothes is about supervising the proper care, cleaning, tracking, and delivery of linens, uniform, and guest clothes while maintaining the quality, safety, and efficiency. And that is UC4 Supervise Laundry Linen, Uniform, and Guest Clothes. Thank you for watching!